putting the new gasket in, you want to press it in everywhere that you can. You don't want this falling off during installation and then come back and see that something's pinched or it's not sealed and it's leaking after you start it. So we go around, we work it around like so. And next thing we're going to do is get some gasket material on here. Black silicone. Okay. And you're going to put it here and here. Some there. You don't have to use a whole lot. Just right there and right there. Alright, we got that. Again, I want to do that. And we want to take off these old grommets here, since it comes with new ones. Okay. Just slide these off here. You can cut them off or slide them off.